Hi students, welcome to Karthik Chemistry channel. In today's class I am going to explain the derivation of Nernst equation. Okay, so for finding the single electrode potential of any unknown metal, the metal should dip in its own salt solution and it is connected to the reference electrode. It is the process for finding the single electrode potential of any unknown metal. But simply Nernst, the scientist Nernst has given one equation. So by knowing the equation and by putting the values in Nernst equation, we can find out the single electrode potential of any unknown metal. Okay, simply E equal to E naught plus 0.0591 by N log concentration of Mn plus, it is the Nernst equation. So simply by putting the standard single electrode potential and number of electrons and the concentration of the particular solution, concentration of electrolyte solution, we can find out the single electrode potential of any unknown metal. Okay, so we should not connect the metal to the reference electrode. Okay, so how can we calculate how can we derive the Nernst equation? Okay, so in general, single electrode potential of any half cell depends on concentration of ions in solution, tendency to form ions, and then temperature. Okay, by considering these three factors we can derive Nernst equation. So what is Nernst equation? How to calculate the Nernst equation? So the single electrode potential of any half cell depends on concentration of ions in solution, tendency to form ions, okay, and then temperature. These three factors we should consider simply for knowing the single electrode potential with a mathematical formula, that is Nernst equation. Okay, so Nernst equation tells about the effect of concentration of electrolyte on electrode potential. So let us consider a reduction reaction at cathode electrode or a oxidation reaction at anode electrode, whatever it may be. So simply we should consider a reduction reaction at cathode or a oxidation reaction at anode. Here I have taken a reduction reaction at cathode. So for simply Mn plus, M means metal and N is number of electrons. So I am writing the notation as Mn plus. Okay, so Mn plus, it may be zinc, okay, it may be copper or whatever it may be. So for example, if it is copper, Cu2 plus, okay, if it is zinc, Zn2 plus. So in general I am writing it as Mn plus. Mn plus n electrons gives rise to M. For example, Li plus E minus gives rise to Li. Cu2 plus 2 electrons gives rise to Cu. So just like that, in general I am writing the notation as Mn plus n electrons gives rise to M. So according to thermodynamics, the decrease of free energy is given by delta G equal to delta G naught plus RT natural logarithm of K. Delta G equal to delta G naught plus RT ln K natural logarithm of K. So where delta G is the free energy change and delta G naught is the standard free energy change, R is gas constant, T is temperature, K is concentration of M by concentration of Mn plus. Okay, so K equal to concentration of metal by concentration of metal electrolyte solution. So in general, for solid the concentration of any metal is unity. So for solid, concentration of M equal to 1, that is why K equal to 1 by concentration of Mn plus. Okay, so by substituting this in the formula delta G equal to delta G naught plus RT ln K, delta G equal to delta G naught plus, so if you write the natural logarithm as common logarithm, so multiply this with 2.303, that is why I am writing it as delta G equal to delta G naught plus 2.303 RT log 1 by concentration of Mn plus. Okay, so for as per thermodynamics, we know that delta G equal to minus NFE and delta G naught equal to minus NFE naught, where E is single electrode potential and E naught is standard single electrode potential. F is Faraday's constant, that is 96,500 coulombs. N equal to number of electrons involved in the reaction. Okay, dividing this with minus NF, dividing this reaction with minus NF. So according to the equation, E equal to E naught minus 2. So totally dividing this with minus NF, E equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF log concentration of 1 by Mn plus. So if it is taken it as a numerator, E equal to E naught plus 2.303 RT by NF log concentration of Mn plus. Substituting the values R, T and F at standard conditions, R equal to 8.314 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse, T equal to 298 Kelvin, F equal to 96,500 coulombs. Okay, so then finally the equation is E equal to E naught plus 0.0591 by N log concentration of Mn plus electrolyte solution. So this equation is known as Nernst equation for single electrode potential of any metal for reduction at cathode. Similarly, for oxidation potential, the sign will be changed, plus will be minus. So for oxidation potential, E equal to, for finding the single electrode potential of at oxidation and at anode, E equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by N log concentration of Mn plus. Okay, so students, it is the derivation for Nernst equation. Okay, so as per mathematical formula, by considering the mathematical notations for finding the single electrode potential, E equal to E naught plus 0.0591 by N log concentration of Mn plus. So mainly single electrode potential of a half cell depends on concentration of ions in solution, tendency to form ions, temperature. So then it is the derivation I explained you. Thank you students. Thank you for watching. For previous classes, please find the description box. Please find the link in description box. Thank you for watching.